Hi, this is John Carstarphen for Expert Village.
And the last tab is the Content tab, and that simply takes you to the web page of eFrontier, which, by the way, has just been purchased by Smith Micro. And I don't know what they're planning to do with the program, but it's now owned by them, and the eFrontier page is still up, as you can see at the time of this recording. So the reason I want to show you this is because it's useful to know that Poser is, there are limitations to Poser as a program, but of course there are limitations to any 3D program. But the great thing about Poser is the community, and there are literally thousands and thousands and thousands of props and clothing and hair and anything you can imagine in 3D that you want to apply to your scene, you can find in the Poser community somewhere. So, and then it also includes certain 2D figures and poses and background images and so forth.